Hello, my name is Maria. I'll be presenting the history of the San Gabriel River. The San Gabriel River is one of the Southern California major rivers. Flow from the San Gabriel Mountains through Los Angeles and Orange County into the Pacific Ocean. Importance: water source, ecosystems, indigenous history, and urban development. The San Gabriel River geographic terms: watershed area that drains into the San Gabriel River from the mountains to the ocean. Source and mouth begins in the San Gabriel Mountains, ends at the Pacific Ocean near Seal Beach. Tributaries include the East Fork and West Fork feeding into the main river. Erosion and sedimentation: rivers carry sediment downstream, shaping the land. Urbanization: lower river flows through cities. Development affects water flow and quality. Flood control: parts of the rivers aligned with concrete to prevent flooding. Aquifer recharge: river help refill underground water sources. Riparian zones: areas along the river that support wildlife and plants. Conservation: efforts to protect habitats like the San Gabriel Mountain National Monument. Biodiversity: river supports various ecosystems more in the upper nature sections. Indigenous people: the river was home to the Tonga people, used it for fishing, transportation, and ceremonial purposes. The river was known as a life-giving soccer long before colonization. Spanish colonization arrived in the late 70s. The San Gabriel Mission, found in 1771, was built near the river. River used for irrigation, supporting mission agriculture. This began the transformations of the landscape of displacement of the Tongan. American period and development. Between 18th and 19th, land ownership shifted with U.S. expansion. The river was seen as a resource for farming and a water supply. Dams and channels are built for flood control and irrigation. Los Angeles began relying on water infrastructure to support urban growth. Environmental impact: urbanization caused pollution and damage to native habitat. The river was channelized with concrete in many parts. Wildlife and native plants were threatened. Flood control became a major issue in the 20th century. Modern era and restoration. In recent decades, efforts have grown to restore parts of the river, focus on recreation, water quality, and nature habitat. Projects include greenways, bike paths, and native plant restoration. Communities are reconnecting with the river, for example, the San Gabriel River Discovery Center project. Why it matters today: the river strip provides water, recreation, and wildlife habitat. It tells the story of indigenous survival, colonization, and urban growth and environmental activities. Uh, Thus a symbol of how nature spaces and city can coexist. Culture and recreational importance today. Used for hiking, biking, birdwatching, and education. Also connects community across counties. Local tribes continue advocating for cultural respect and land access. Environmental challenge today. Ongoing issues include stormwater runoff, pollution, and urban encroachment. Trash and industrial waste affect water quality. Climate change impacts water flow and wildlife patterns. Wildlife Wildlife of the San Gabriel River homes to species like the arroyo chook, western bound through, and gray blue heron. Riparian zone supports native plants and migratory birds. Habitat corridors along the river are vital for ecosystem health. Community and education programs. Local, local organizations host cleanup events, educational tours, and job programs. Schools use the river as a hands-on learning site. Programs raise awareness about conservation and sustainability. Vision for the future: push for a healthier, greener river corridor, expand access to parks and trails, support eco-friendly development that balances nature and city needs. The San Gabriel River can be a model for urban river revitalization. These are my reference: County of Los Angeles Department of Public Works, San Gabriel River Master Plans, San Gabriel River Recovery Center Authority, U.S. Forest Service, San Gabriel Mountain National Monument. The Los Angeles River is lived and possible rebirth. California Department of Water Resources, Friends of the San Gabriel River Community and Conservation Programs, and the San Gabriel River Watershed. Thank you.